Give me a Spinosaurus and I'll tell you. Oh, this one likes to eat little dinosaurs.
Oh, he likes to eat little,
Smaller dinosaurs.
smaller dinosaurs.
Mm-hmm.
Like to eat baby T-Rex.
I don't think he can eat a baby T-Rex. Because baby T-Rex is stronger and bigger and faster.
He has sharp teeth too.
Mm-hmm. Very sharp because he brushes them every night.
And he eats meat.
Mm-hmm. What kind of meat?
Wagyu meat.
What kind of meat?
Wagyu meat.
Oh, you're so smart.
So,
I think he likes to eat like
look,
little triceratops. Oh yeah, like that little stegosaurus.
Mom,
Hmm.
look, another Spinosaurus.
Mm-hmm. Maybe
See,
they're
they both act the same.
yeah.
They go here. A mommy Spinosaurus, a day Spinosaurus.
That's right.
They go, and I call it a dinosaur museum.
That's a dinosaur museum.
Yeah,
I love it.
we're in a dinosaur museum today.
Good idea.
So, let's go.
I think they go next to the Brachiosaurus.
Okay. Baby.